Hello and welcome back to State and Local Government and Politics. In Part 4 of Module 8 on the courts, we'll discuss trial courts. Trial courts often do not garner the attention of either states' higher courts or the federal courts, but they represent the veritable workhorses of the court system. Typically, each state has two types of trial courts of original jurisdiction, one of limited jurisdiction and one of general jurisdiction. Funding for trial courts of general jurisdiction generally comes from a combination of state and local sources. Trial courts of limited jurisdiction, as the name suggests, deals with specific types of cases and are often presided over by a single judge operating without a jury. Found in all but 6 states, courts of this type typically hold preliminary hearings in felony cases and exercise exclusive jurisdiction over misdemeanor and ordinance violation cases and are funded by local sources. If there were an entity we could call a community court, it would be these courts. They are located within or near a community and handle cases arising from misdemeanor offenses and ordinance violations. The courts of this type include, but are not limited to, the following. Probate courts handles matters concerning administering the estate of a person who has died. Family court handles matters concerning adoption, annulments, divorce, alimony, custody, child support, and other family matters. Traffic court handles cases involving minor traffic violations. Juvenile court handles cases involving delinquent children under a certain age. And municipal court. This court handles cases involving offenses against city ordinances. General jurisdiction trial courts are the main trial courts in the state system, and in most cases, the highest trial court. These courts are generally divided into circuits or districts. In some cases, the county serves as the judicial district, but in most states, a judicial district embraces several counties. General jurisdiction trial courts hear cases outside the jurisdiction of the limited jurisdiction trial courts, such as felony criminal cases and high-stakes civil suits. In most states, cases are heard in front of a single judge, often with a jury. In Part 5 of Module 8 on the courts, we'll discuss intermediate appellate courts.